Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am at the club at City Center. That's right, we're at a very high-end fitness gym. I'm here with Vanussa. You all know her. Make sure you follow her on Instagram at
Vanussa Webster.
Awesome.
VNASUA Webster.
And I will be posting a link to her profile down below. But today, I want to bring you on our hard light fitness photography photo shoot today. And it will be featuring the Nikon Z8 with the Yongnuo 85mm f1.8 for the Z lens. As many of you know and have commented, you wanted to see images shot with this lens, and that's what I'm going to bring to you today, as well as I'll be using the Nikon 24-120 f4 lens. I love this lens. I'll be doing a full review on this lens in a future video, but with most of the shots, we'll be using this 85. Now, Derek, come follow me. Now, what we're going to be doing is a 3-point lighting. Our key light is going to be right over here. Okay. We're going to be using the 8600 right here. There we go. With the, I believe this is a 42-inch softbox right here. But most importantly, let's take a look inside. I have removed the main diffuser and the diffusion panel, and then I left the center one, but ultimately we're using hard light with the silver reflector and everything else. And then I have my second light here, which is going to be lighting the background right there. And that, with the blue gel on it, is going to be hitting the background right over here, where Vanussa is, pretty much. And then for our rim lighting, we're going to be using the 8600 with a 7-inch reflector, 7-inch silver reflector. That's going to give her the rim lighting, some edge lighting, which is going to come out really well. All right, so if you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you post them down below. Again, today we're going to really be focused on using hard lighting for today's fitness photography photo shoot. And as I said earlier, got the Nikon Z8 with the Yongnuo 85mm f1.8 lens and the Nikon Z 24-120 f4 lens as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, this could be dope right here. This helps. Whoa, I almost tipped over. All right, let's see what we got right here. Yeah, this is good. Hey everyone, we are back here at home. I've already edited a group of photos that I have submitted recently to a magazine and already got notification that these images will be published in the March/April issue of Mouvir magazine, which is a French-based fashion editorial magazine. So with all that said, I want to give a big shout out to 3 big players for making this video and the photos happen. First is Vanussa for being an amazing model, amazing friend as always, and Derek for being my best friend as well as an amazing assistant and super fun on set. And the last but not least, shout out to the club at the city center right there in downtown Oakland. They were very nice and accommodating for allowing us to set up shop, record our video, use their space, and take these photos to bring to all of you out there. If you have any questions about my lighting or the gear I used, feel free, post them in the comment section down below. Of course, I'll leave links to the gear I used throughout the shoot in the description section. That's right. So in this shoot, some of the photos, as you can tell, were used with the Yongnuo 85mm Z lens. That's right, the 85 1.8 lens that I mentioned in an earlier video. And then the other lens I used is the Nikon Z 24-120 f4 lens. Those were the 2 lenses with the Nikon Z8. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and you already know, hit the bell to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.